If you want to build strength and flexibility in your core and trunk, then the kettlebell lateral flexion is for you. This is a wonderful movement for lateral spine flexion, but also to strengthen the obliques.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
This is such a good exercise because most training programs completely neglect lateral flexion of the spine. And because it's a loaded exercise, we develop flexibility and strength at the same time. It's also a really good lateral core strengthening exercise as well. Think about it. There's very few exercises where we're laterally strengthening the spine and the core. So this should be included in your training. But if you get it wrong, of course, you can cause yourself injury. So make sure you stick around to the end, learn the 3 coaching cues that we teach for this brilliant movement, and let's build some flexibility and strength in that lateral plane with the core.
Kettlebell lateral flexion. We use this to build spine mobility and strengthen the core muscles that control lateral movement. Make sure that you focus on creating movement in all 32 joints in the spine. Move your head first, then your upper back, then mid back, and finally your lower back. Then do the reverse to come back up. It is very important that you don't move the whole back at one time. The 3 cues to think of when performing the exercise are: roll down one vertebra at a time, be intentional with your movement, be intentional with end ranges.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.